Meaning of duct.
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 Duct. The word duct refers to a tube or channel designed for the conveyance of air, liquid, gas, or other substances. Ducts are commonly found in buildings, vehicles, and various types of machinery. They can be made from a wide range of materials, including metal, plastic, and fiberglass. Ducts are essential for the proper functioning of HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, as well as for many industrial processes. They come in various shapes and sizes and can be customized for specific applications. Overall, ducts play an important role in the transportation of materials in various contexts.